Welcome to Exoit Cars. The 2025 Kia Sportage 1.6 HEV is here, and it's making a bold statement in the hybrid SUV game. For anyone passionate about the perfect mix of efficiency, tech, and everyday usability, this compact crossover is a serious contender. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.6-litre turbocharged inline-4 engine paired with a full hybrid system. Together, they deliver 227 horsepower and 258 pounds-to-feet of torque, channeled through a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're cruising in the city or hitting the highway, the power delivery is confident, with the electric motor seamlessly kicking in for instant torque and improved fuel efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, that's where the Sportage HEV really shines. You can expect around 38-43 miles per gallon combined, depending on the trim and whether you go with front-wheel or all-wheel drive. That's impressive for an SUV of this size, especially one that doesn't compromise on performance design-wise. The 2025 Sportage keeps the sharp, futuristic styling Kia introduced in the latest generation. With its boomerang-shaped LED daytime running lights, wide grille, and sculpted lines, the Sportage looks anything but ordinary. The HEV trims also get subtle badging and unique wheel options that hint at its electrified nature without being flashy inside. The cabin feels modern and upscale, especially in the X and SX Prestige trims. You're greeted by a panoramic curved display that combines two 12.3-inch screens, one for the digital gauge cluster and another for infotainment. Kia's infotainment system is intuitive, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on most trims, and higher models offer built-in navigation and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The seats are well bolstered and offer plenty of support for longer drives. Rear passengers get generous legroom, and the cargo space is one of the best in its class A thanks to Kia's decision to stretch the wheelbase and optimize the layout. Safety tech is fully loaded too. Every Sportage HEV comes with forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. The higher trims add features like a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, and Kia's highway driving assist, which makes highway commuting almost effortless. What really stands out about the 2025 Sportage Hybrid is its versatility. It's a smart choice for city dwellers looking to cut fuel costs without going full F, but it also handles weekend getaways and longer trips with ease. Plus, with available all-wheel drive, it doesn't shy away from rougher roads or bad weather. In a crowded segment filled with solid options like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and Honda CR-V Hybrid, the Kia Sportage 1.6 HEV offers a compelling mix of style, value, tech, and performance. It's not just a practical hybrid, it's a car that enthusiasts can actually get excited about.